Hello everyone, guys. What I want to show you today is how to change the bulb in this great car, Toyota Auris. Uh, by the way, forgive my potential language mistakes. I'm not an English native speaker, but for sure I will do my best. So let's get started. At the beginning, I just want to say that I decided to change the bulb because I want to achieve something that maybe you can see. Look at here. This is the standard one, and this is the new one. The color, I can see it. Maybe you don't, because it's not easy to show. But it's not easy. It's not hard to notice when you're driving a car and it's really dark. So this one, the new one, it's a bit cooler. It's not a huge difference, but it's not allowed to use in Poland. Where I live, it's not allowed to use LEDs, so I decided to buy a typical, the dedicated bulb. It's HIR2 type for Toyota, but it's a bit different. I will show you later what it really is and how to remove it and replace it, because theoretically it's easy, but in practice it could be a bit problematic, as always, when you don't know how to know it. Yeah. So at this stage it's all, and you will see us later. Bye. Okay guys, the introduction is over. This is the second part of the film. I just want to say you a couple of words about the bulb itself. This is not the typical model, but I will discuss it in another film. Of course, it's almost identical. Almost makes a difference, but it's not the point. No. I just want to show you how it looks like. Yeah, with this plastic elements, they look like the small star. We can fix the bulb inside of the hole, inside of the lamp. Yeah. So how to remove it? We have to use the counterclockwise movement. Yeah, to remove the bulb. Yeah, with the cable at the beginning. And now, as you can see, there is this plastic element here. It is used to fix the cable. So probably it could be helpful to use a screwdriver, yeah, just to remove it, to release the cable, just from here. And one more thing. When you will accidentally, because normally it's impossible. I would say not impossible. It's quite possible, but it's forbidden to touch with your fingers, to touch the bulb. This is actually broken, so it's not a problem. But even though when something like this happened, there is an option. Just use alcohol, for example, even perfumes, to remove the fat from the glass, because of course it will work at the beginning, but the temperature of the burning fat at the glass is so high that it will be broken very soon. So remember these things. This is the end of the second part, and now I'm going to open the bonnet. Yeah, just pull it, and the bonnet actually is opened already, so I will go there and I will show you how to remove and change the bulb. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to do this. Showing on the left lamp. It's almost the same on the other side, on the right side, when you are looking from the driver's position, European driver's position. Yeah. So look at this. How does it look like, and what's actually here? So this is the plastic cover. You have to just pull it out like this. It goes really easily. And now I can show you where the bulb really is. It's quite hard to do it actually, because there is not much space here. You see? Oh. This is the bulb itself and the cable, yeah, the brown one. So as you can see, the cable is pointing not really down, but almost, I would say, 45 degrees. So what we should do, we have to be really careful and remember this is the right position of the bulb. So remember how
how it looks like. You can actually feel it more than see it, yeah. And now we have to turn it counterclockwise, and now, yes, we can remove the bulb, yeah. At this moment, when you can see there is a cable here, as I told you, you can use the screwdriver, yeah, and just with your second hand remove the bulb, yeah. And now when you will have the replacement, the new bulb, I will connect it with the cable. And now this is the this is the moment when you have to be really careful and really patient, yeah, because this is the thing that you should find the right position. So as I told you, of the bulb, yeah, you can do it even without the cable, and after putting the bulb you can add the cable at the end, but it's not easy. So I would recommend rather using it, doing it like I'm doing it. And now it's almost fixed, yeah. Oh, now it's finished. After it, you can cover the plastic element, the cover, and that's all actually.
I wish you luck, guys. As I told you, you have to be patient. And there is one more thing important, actually. It could happen that you not be able, I'll show you now, to change the lights, yeah. This is the sound of the changing lights. When you will notice that this part of the car, the lamp on the car, that the bulb that you are changing, it's not working, actually you have to remove the cover once again, and you have to connect the small cable that is inside of the lamp. This is quite complicated. It is important to be really careful and not to pull out the cable too strong, because then you could have problems. Okay guys, that's all from my side. It wasn't too short, but I wanted to show you as much as possible. Wish you luck. When you will have any questions, just let me know. I will try to help you as good as I can. Thumbs up, please subscribe, and wish you luck. Bye bye.